Ask for a better start, that's for real, no doubt. No doubt that it was pretty epic, that's what I say. All right, guys, this is what we're playing for. Look at that. All right, I got to get my card in. I'm on a single man show here. Give me a second. There we go. Turn that way. All right, put some cash in.
Steve, party of one, your table's ready. Steve, party of one.
Put some cash in. Cash in. Let's actually get this up a little bit. Oh, somebody did a $20 super chat. I gotta check it out here. Give me a second. Ooh, how's that picture? I think that's pretty good. Let's check this out. Who did the $20 super chat? Kevin, nice hit, guys. Thank you. You're the best, Kevin, man. We appreciate you. All right, we got 300 in. And we're gonna do 10-cent denom. I wanna let this one warm up a little bit. This machine, you gotta finesse this one a little bit. Max, rookie mistake. I wanna, this one you gotta put a little money into it to get it going. But once you do, it's spectacular. $50, Randy Brock. If you want to send me your information, we can have you wire some money over and we would gladly do $50 bets. This machine doesn't even have $50 bets, so I couldn't do that. So. Is it a membership? It is just part of the sponsor program, the YouTube membership. You hit that join button, CJC. Come on! We're going to be doing some private live streams. Oh, do it! Oh! All right, let's pump it up. We're going to do 5. And then we're going to go 750. So that was an awesome start to the stream there, guys. Let's hit this bonus. How's the picture out there, guys? All right, picture looks good. Thank you. Dee's phone's looking a little funky, so I didn't know. Awesome. Thanks, everybody, for quick response. Look at that, over 200 people. All right, we're bumping it to 750. We warmed her up. Come on, Dragon Riches. Oh, did I show you guys what we're playing for? My bad. Look at, we want that 19,000. Look at how beautiful that is. Wouldn't that be awesome? All right, back to the spins. Oh, dirty. Matt says, how many streams have we done? Well, we did one successfully at the Cosmo. Our second stream at Circa was really, really bad and didn't pan out too much.
Here,
oh, Dee's back.
Let me hold on to this.
Oh, thank you.
So, they'll come around. You gotta do the paperwork.
Oh, just missed that bonus by 1.
Do you want me to put in this extra cash here? I have that ticket. Gotta go cash it in. Oh, yeah, I'll cash it in.
Dee's gonna cash that ticket in. Oh, do it! Did you see those numbers that went by? They were huge. They were huge. Oh, CJC, thank you. Hit that membership button. Oh, bonus! There we go. Oh, thank you, what? You saying so far this is much better than the first one? Well, you know, sometimes, as they say, shit happens. You know what I mean? Ooh, come on. We need those 4 dragons. Let's do it. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that. Well, we got some queens in there. A little something. Yeah, if we would have had that one, it would have been pretty darn good. All right, 37 bucks. Coins? No coins. Oh, coins! Bonus and a bonus! Let's go! Nothing big, but hey. Let's get that minor. 500 bucks. There we go. All right, 30 bucks. There we go.
We're all slapping in. Come on.
Come on, get the hard one.
Just one at a time. I don't words. There was a mini.
Come on.
One more.
Ow. Oh, apparently CJC cursed somebody out in Italian. That's all right. There you go, 100 bucks, 127. Last spin. Oh, that's too bad. All right, do you want to spin? Puts us back in it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go 5.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I'm feeling 5.
Yeah, do it.
I've hit the major on 5.
Oh, I know you have. D's got his thing. Oh.
Come on, balls.
Come on, guys. Put that energy out there for some bonuses. Let's get a whole bunch tonight.
Do a couple quicks. Come on now. We'll get through. Oh, come on. All right, 1250. Big bet.
Oh, big bets.
Oh,
dirty.
I'm going to do a few of these. Come on.
Captain Morgan, you asked for him. We're bringing him.
All right.
Dragon orbs.
2 more.
And coins. Oh, there you go. Little something.
Maybe I'll stay.
55. Let's do it. Come on, D.
Come on, baby.
Man, we got 257 people out there. We appreciate you. Hit that thumbs up.
Come on, balls. Come on, coins.
I got him. Look at that. This is going to set up dragon.
Yeah.
Big hand pay
Here
time.
we go. Another one. Let's see if
Hit
it
that
can
thumbs up
happen.
button.
Oh!
I thought we had it. No.
What did that pay? Let's see. 177. Oh, no.
Nothing. Come on.
Come on, dragons.
Points. Got a little something on the 10. 37.50.
Coins.
Oh, last spin.
Come on, dragons. All the way across this time.
Let's get another hand pay. No.
Oh, nada.
Oh, that is disgusting.
That's sad.
That was sad. That was sad, guys.
Back to back.
Back to back, back to back. Oh, look at that.
Better bet.
Come on, D.
Come on. Okay, back down to 750.
You're not feeling it anymore?
No, I mean, we'll see.
All right. Should we try some 5-cent denom and then 12.50?
I guess we could.
Yeah, let's try that. Max bet on the 5-cent denom. All right, 12's connected.
Do it. Come on.
Coins.
Oh, there's a minor.
All right. Where's everybody watching from tonight? I know there's some people out from Ohio.
Come on now.
Everybody loves to let us know where you're at. Illinois? All right. Australia in the house. Chicago. Kansas City. Coins.
Oh, they went by.
The Philippines. That's pretty epic.
Oh, 2 minis.
Minnesota. Jolene in Minnesota. Colorado, Kansas City, Mississippi, San Diego.
Come on, coins.
North Dakota. Boston. That was terrible. Sorry about that. Oh, Vegas, Albuquerque. Oh, those were huge.
Come on.
Oh, got another one. Southwest Florida, heartbreaking, says Gordana.
All right.
That was Thailand. Come on. Coins or heads? Dragon heads. Dragon!
Wow. Buddha is the top.
Buddha is the top.
Oh.
Nothing. Let's get a retrigger on this. Dragon! Yeah! Hand pay, baby! Hand pay!
You think so?
Oh, yeah, it's 150 a line.
No,
Oh, no, 75 a line.
75, yeah.
Dude, let it go, let it go.
I don't know if we did.
Let it go. Yeah!
I don't know if we did.
Yeah!
I don't know.
Just let it go, man. Let it go. Let it go. Everybody's saying nice hit, nice hit.
I don't know.
Yeah, buddy.
Is it doing it?
This is my favorite part right here.
Well, I was gonna hit it.
Hit it. 1474. Again. Oh. Let's get some coins. Let's get some coins. I told you guys you got to warm this puppy up. Oh, that's all right.
Oh, that's all right.
Wow, 1550.
Oh boy, we're gonna have
Oh, Dee's got another one. Gonna have to move on again.
We haven't even got paid for the first one.
Yeah, we haven't even got paid for the first one yet.
Okay, it doesn't make any noise.
There's no music on this one, unfortunately. But we got a hand pay right there. You have won a jackpot.
Call attendant.
1551.
Here's the ticket.
2 handies. What is that?
Already, this is the ticket that came out.